Dewberry created the Commercial Utilities Operation Unit in order to serve a few key client and focus areas. Those included regulated utilities with a focus on transmission and distribution type projects, electric vehicle infrastructure and fleet needs, and renewable energy clients, including solar development, onshore, offshore wind, and battery energy storage systems. There are several impacts and trends impacting the energy market. For example, regulated utilities are focused on grid modernization and grid upgrades in order to meet the increased demand and the carbon neutral goals that are set forth through several private companies and the federal government as well. The electric vehicle space continues to grow significantly year over year as more and more purchasers are buying electric vehicles, so there will be an increased infrastructure needs as part of that. And renewables is definitely becoming a more reliable source of power within the market. You've got solar development is becoming more economical every single day, and it's becoming a very reliable source. In addition to that, you have offshore and onshore wind that are starting to become more robust within the program as well. And with all those different type of power needs, you're going to need a lot of battery energy storage systems in order to support the infrastructure needs as well. So with that said, there's a lot of things happening that's going to impact the energy market, and there's a lot of growth going forward. There are several ways that energy clients will benefit from Dewberry's new approach and our operational organization that we put together. One, for example, will be providing a turnkey solution. As there's an increase in number of projects going on and demands on permitting and scheduling, it's important to be able to provide a one turnkey solution to our clients in a timely fashion. In addition to that, one of the biggest challenges you have in the energy sector is permitting. Dewberry specializes in permitting and have been doing so for nearly 70 years. Well, no matter the size of the project or the schedule of the project, Dewberry has the experience and the staff and the bench strength really to solve these problems within a timely fashion. The federal government has given two major sources of funding recently. First is the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, and the second is the National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program. These two programs are put in place to really drive growth in the energy space and to meet the demands of the community. First, you have a large increase in the number of electrical vehicles that will be on the roads in the next decade. In addition to that, there's a lot of infrastructure and grid improvements that need to be provided by the regular utility companies. And these funding sources are going to allow them the opportunities to get these things put into the market sooner and on air at a faster pace.